Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to run C++ code on a Mac. So the first thing you need to do is to download Xcode if it's not installed already. So head to the App Store and search for Xcode. And here it is. It's about 12 gigabytes. So install it. After installing it, open it. Select Create a new Xcode project. Then head to the Mac OS option and select Command Line Tool. Click Next and name your project. Here I will name it Hello World and choose your language as C++. Click Next and choose the destination of your project. I will save it on my desktop, so I'll hit Create. In the navigation area, select main.cpp and it is your source code file. So to run this code, click this little play icon, or you can select Command R as a shortcut. And here it is. Thank you for watching.